Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can snooze inactive tabs in your Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, you may do that, for example, to save memory or RAM in your Opera browser when you have, for instance, multiple tabs open at the same time. So Opera browser may be given the permission to snooze these inactive tabs, for example, tabs you haven't opened for quite a while now. So to do that, navigate to the Opera browser, here in the top left, select Settings or use the shortcut Alt-P. Next, navigate to Appearance, and here scroll down till you get to the User Interface Settings. And then you will see that option, Snooze Inactive Tabs to Save Memory. It should be enabled on default in the Opera browser if you just installed it or installed an update. But if that's not the case, guys, if the Snooze Inactive Tabs feature is disabled, switch it on here. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.